Hello again, grade 2. Hope you are all feeling well. I missed you a lot. Today, I'm going to explain for you a new grammar lesson. This grammar lesson is about adjectives. Remember when we explained in class about the adjectives? Adjective is a word that describes the noun. Okay, remember when we described the blue door in our class? Okay, we said it's blue, it's big. Remember that? Okay, this is another part or another lesson about adjectives. It's called comparative adjectives. Compare when we are talking about two things or more than two things. We compare between each thing or each noun. Okay, remember, adjectives are used to describe nouns. So, adjectives, as we said before, that is a word that describes the noun. Now, we are going to read this sentence. Sam is younger than Hadi. Okay? Which word is the adjective? Which word is describing the noun? Very good. It's younger. Okay? So, the word younger is the adjective. Okay, that. Now, how many nouns do we have? We have Sam and we have Hadi. So how many nouns do we have? Two nouns. Okay? Younger is the adjective that compares Sam and Hadi. Okay? So here, when we have an adjective that is comparing two nouns, okay, what did we add for the adjectives? For the adjective, which letter? E-R. Okay? Now, to compare two people, animals, places, or thing, add er to the adjective. So when we are when we are comparing two nouns, we add er to the adjective. What do we add? Er. Very good. You see here, young. What did we add for it? Er. Now, let us read another sentence. Rami is the youngest of all. Okay, Rami is the youngest of all. Are we comparing two adjectives here? No, we are comparing more than two. All the boys, Rami is the youngest. Okay, for example, here let us say in class. So Rami is the youngest one. Which word is the adjective? Very good, it's youngest. Now, what did we add for it? Did we add er? No, we added est. So, the adjective that compares three or more nouns, what do we add for it? Est. Look here. Youngest is the adjective that compares more than two. Okay? More than two. Three or more. To compare three or more people, places, animals, or things, what do we add? Add est to the adjective. Let me show you something here. Look, I made for you a small table. Look here. The title, Comparative Adjectives. To compare two nouns, what do we add? er to the adjective. To compare three or more nouns, what do we add? est. Look, Ali is smaller than Sarah. Okay, how many nouns here do we have? Ali and Sarah. The lion is bigger than the cat. Okay, bigger, we have two nouns, the lion, the cat. Here, when we are comparing three or more, Ali is the smallest boy in class. Okay? Smallest. What did we put? We put est. And here, what did we use? The. What did we use? The. Here, I forgot to tell you, smaller, what did we use? Than. So when we compare two things, we are using smaller, we added er, and we used the word than. Okay, when we are comparing here three or more things, what did we add? We added est and we used the word the before the adjective. The elephant is the biggest animal in the zoo. Okay, now let me show you something. Look here, we have the adjective long, longer, longest. Look at this marker. This marker is long. Okay, the black marker is long. Now I will put the green marker. The green marker is longer. Okay, now we have here another marker. Let me put the orange one. Look here, the orange one is the longest. Okay, when I want to put a sentence, I will say the green marker is longer than the black marker. Okay, I added er, and when I want to to speak about the orange marker, I will say that the orange marker is the longest. Okay, thank you. Now let's solve the question on page 169 together. Okay, look here. Circle the correct adjective. The tiger is stronger or strongest than the monkey. Which word is correct? We have the tiger, we have the monkey. So we are comparing two. When we are comparing two, what do we add for the adjective? er. So what do we have? Stronger. And what did they put with the stronger? Than. Okay? The Atlantic Ocean is the bigger or biggest ocean in the world. Do we have than? No. Do we have two nouns? No, we have all the oceans in the world. So which one do we use? Biggest. Very good. Beirut is smaller or smallest than New York. How many nouns do we have? We have Beirut, we have New York, and we have the word than. So which one do we use? Smaller or smallest? Smaller. Tom and Jerry is funnier or funniest than Donald Duck. We have Tom and Jerry is the first noun, and we have the second noun is Donald Duck, and we have the word than. So which adjective do we use? We use funnier. Oceans are deeper or deepest than rivers. We have two nouns and we have the word than. So what do we circle? Deeper. The lion is the scarier or scariest animal in the forest. In all the forest. And do we have than? No. So which one do we use? Scariest. Okay, thank you.